Before jumping to the front of the vaccine line, before it's their turn, we knew it would happen, but did one local health system let it happen? The defenders investigate. Glad you're with us tonight for Local 4 News at 6. The system of phases for who can get a COVID vaccine has put healthcare providers in a difficult spot.
Yeah, some people may not be honest about their age or their occupation, and some have gotten the shot before it's really their turn. For those who are waiting for their name to be called, it's upsetting to see the line jumpers boasting on social media. Here's Local 4 Defender Sean Lay with a look at how it's happening and who it's hurting.
The Local 4 Defenders tonight exposing people who are now jumping to the front of the COVID-19 vaccine line and just how devastating this is for people who need a vaccine but can't get one.
I'm exhausted. I've been doing this job for 37 years. I have never worked so hard than I have during this pandemic.
Therese is a frontline mental health care therapist. She helps kids in their homes as they struggle during this pandemic, putting herself at risk for COVID-19. She's eligible for a vaccine. Therese says trying to sign up with her provider, St. Joe's, has become another full-time job.
I have tried every which way to get into that system daily, at different times of the day when I have availability in between. I've gotten kicked off, system doesn't work.
But other younger and not frontline workers apparently have had success getting vaccines from St. Joe's. One man bragging on Facebook that he and his wife got shots from St. Joe's. He was asked, "How did you get in line before my dad?" The response, "I'm essential, I guess." Wink. The Local 4 Defenders asked St. Joe's why this is happening.
Okay. And what did St. Joe's say?
St. Joe's tells us extra vaccine at the end of a shift has to be used. They do not want to throw it away and use an on-call list for people who have signed up. St. Joe's says some patients on that list are guilty of misrepresenting themselves. St. Joe's says, quote, "We are in a position in which we need to trust that people who identify as being in an age group or essential occupation are being truthful."
You can't trust people. I mean, that's ridiculous. I'm sorry. You can't trust people. It is incredibly disheartening, disappointing, and it's scary for my colleagues and myself. Those people that are bragging about getting a vaccine, I want to ask them, how do they feel about us that are actually doing the work and are 30 or 40 years older than they are?
Well, tonight, Therese is calling on the state to take everyone that has a medical license and get that person a vaccine appointment right away. Also, we put the entire statement from St. Joe's on our website. Click on Detroit.com. Sean Lay, Local 4 Defenders.